Ni urimi uria warehagira arimi umithio miaka ya hau kabere, undu uria wakobobanire thutha wa urugamiriri moru, undu ugicungiriria arimi gutiganiria mumera uyu na kuingirira urimi wa mimera ingi. Ona kuri uguo thirikari ya kaunti ya Nakuru ni yambikite mubango mukinyaniru wa kurirukia urimi uyu kiambiriria na kuheana mbegu nginyaniru kuri arimi mbere ya mbura ya kimera kwambiriria kura.
We will be able to have a coordination team that can meet maybe every other 2-3 weeks so that by the time we get to planting season all the questions will have been answered, and more importantly that we'll be able to restore confidence to the farm.
Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Kenya Jui, arifata kunyita guoko urimi uyu makiria na njira ya gutigirira mahitia maria mahanikire matinacokerwo.
All the issues or gaps that have been there in the past are being dealt with by the experts, from the planting materials, the quality, the quantities available, provision of extension services for farmers to get the proper technical advice, and so on and so forth.
Mweri wake murugamiri wa aria ingi bunge-ini ya Nakuru Stanley Karaja ni ahwete aria macungiririe urimi uyu kuharagana kwirwo Makinya marumu ma kiwatho niguo gwithema na thina ta uyu urimi uyu wambikwo keri.
We need also to do audit ya pirated board, the former pirated board, kwa sababu wao ndio wana kila kitu, ndio mana mashini zile zetu nini, lakini hawakulipa wakulima.
Urimi uyu wacokereria arimi maracanya gukorwo makigetha tani 150 gugikinyiria mweri wa 11 kwa ihinda riria iganda iriri kaunti-ini ino ikiruta wira wa gikiro kia 20% hari wira uria ingihota ni kuruta. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.